Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today, something a little different. I'm going to show you how to change a headlight on I believe it's a 2008 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. Pretty simple, but it's kind of give you an idea. First off, you need a trim tool. And you're going to need like a little pick. That or something plastic so you don't damage anything. You got two little clips right here. Behind it, open the clips up. Take the clips out, don't drop them, you need them. Okay, and this little piece comes out. Take a trim tool, there's a little piece of plastic over here. You're going to come in behind and in front of to make sure you pull it out. It comes out just like that. So, after you got it out, you got two screws on top, then you got a 10mm bolt on the side. Take your light. Sometimes you got to pull it out above the little plastic up here. And then undo your light. You got all the little clips. Okay. Pretty sure you can see from there. But, like I said, you got all your little clips. This one has the automatic adjusters on it, and that's what's wrong with this one. The adjuster, as you can see, is actually loose. Come back to that one because of that. These little clips get stuck on there pretty good. Kind of like this one. Flathead screwdriver for that one. Kind of install it back so it doesn't fall. Pretty simple. The reason I'm replacing that one, the adjuster's making noise, and this one has a noise inside of it. It's loose. Hopefully it's nothing to do with the adjuster again. But come back and just put it all back together. They're kind of color coded. It's kind of hard to mess up. And that and wire length will help you determine also, if in case you forget. All right. Now, we'll test it, make sure it comes on. You can hear the motor. I have a headlight, I have a marker light, brights. This is your low beam, this is your high beam. I'm going to adjust my lights up. Hear it move. A little noisy, but not terrible. And the way this company ships them, they ship them with some cellophane on the outside. Take that off and then reassemble. I think the part that gets most people is this panel here, that trying to get that little false panel off, because there's no screws or anything in it. Take the two little ends, set that in, take the clips apart, the two pieces of the clip, put them in one at a time. If you have it in there, it keeps it open just a little too much. And that's it. That's how you replace a headlight on a Toyota. Pretty easy. See y'all next time.